Let's explore the React community and resources. This is your guide on where to find help and continue your learning journey in the world of React. The most comprehensive and up-to-date resource for learning React is the official React documentation. You can find it at react.dev. It covers everything from the fundamental concepts to advanced techniques and best practices. It includes Learn React API reference, tutorial, quick start, and installation guides. When you encounter specific coding problems or need to debug your React applications, Stack Overflow is an invaluable resource. You can ask questions and get answers from a large community of developers. Some best practices include using specific React tags, including minimal code examples, and searching before asking questions. GitHub is where you can explore React source code, contribute to open source projects, and discover community-driven libraries and tools. Some of the key features include open source React libraries, issue tracking and bug reports, and contribution opportunities. For real-time help and networking, consider joining React communities on platforms like Discord and Slack. Discord offers active communities for instant help and discussions, with features like real-time chat support, voice channels for pair programming, and dedicated channels by topics. Slack provides professional React communities and workspace discussions, offering professional networking, thread-based discussions, and organized workspace channels. To master React through structured courses and tutorials, explore learning platforms like YouTube, Udemy, and Pluralsight. YouTube provides free video tutorials and courses from React experts, offering free content, visual learning, and expert creators. Udemy offers comprehensive React courses with certificates, featuring a structured curriculum, certificates, and hands-on projects. Pluralsight provides professional React training with skill assessments, offering skill assessments, learning paths, and a professional focus. To stay updated with the latest React trends, best practices, and community insights, follow React blogs and newsletters. These sources will help you keep your skills sharp and stay informed about the evolving React ecosystem. Consider reading the official React blog, Dan Abramov's blog, React status newsletter, and dev.to React community. Start your React journey by following these essential steps to build amazing applications. Step 1. Start with the official documentation available at react.dev for official guides and tutorials. Step 2. Join communities and connect with other developers on Discord, Stack Overflow, and GitHub. Step 3. Build projects by practicing with real-world applications and sharing your code. Step 4. Stay updated by following React blogs, newsletters, and community discussions. Happy React development! Keep learning and building. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.